vendor, amount, text, 70 is the posting key. This is the asset, transaction type 100, amount, quantity, text also I'm copying. Let me go to overview, post. Bad issue, it's okay. Click enter button. And once again click enter button. So this issue is different. Okay. So this issue we should not get because we have already posted a transaction, but let me check this. If you are getting these issues, we'll check it, no worries. Okay, but how to check, I'm just showing you. Double click this is the transaction. It will take some time to open. Go here, filter with your company code BT50. So we need to check what is the issues for our company code. Oh my god. There is one type of ledger called extension ledger. In all these ledgers, our company code is being activated automatically. Now I need to remove our company code from all these ledgers. So how to remove? Okay, I'll show you how to remove. It will take some time, but however, we have to do it. Otherwise, we cannot go to further step. Okay. I'll copy this T code. I'll paste here. I'll remove this check button. Enter. This is the T code. Now we need to remove these configurations because we are using shared server. So someone will create a extension ledger that will impact for our company code. Okay. So what is extension ledger? Tomorrow I'm going to take that topic. Let me try to complete this today. SPRO IMG financial accounting, global settings, ledgers, define settings for ledgers and currency types. So this is the place where we have to do these configurations. So now, what are the ledgers? These are all the ledgers. Only one issue, but multiple ledgers. So where is OC? OC is a extension ledger. OC is a extension ledger. OC I have rectified. I have done one different way of resolution. I did not remove our company code. I have just changed the configuration of OC itself. Now I think it should not come to our company code. Let me cross verify. Let me cross verify. This ledger configurations, it will take time in any system. Here itself, the lot of time will be consumed. The system, it will not work properly. System will be very slow for this particular configuration. So we have to be patient on this. Still OC. I think this will not work. I have to go to company code. BT50. I need to remove. There is no other option. We have to remove everywhere. Okay. So OC A5. Where is A5? This is A5. A2 also it has to come, right? But A2 is not coming. It's okay. Fix A5. Next one. AE. It's not possible to remove for all at a time. We have to do manually one by one. This type of issues I'll be doing in real time also. Not similar, not same, but this type of removing. The majority of time will be taking for this type of fixes. By mistake, we'll be doing some wrong assignment. Or while we are assigning, we may think that is the correct process. After 1 month, they will say that this is not the correct process. Manually, we have to remove. So a lot of scenarios are there like that. So now I have completed up to B. Let me check this whether it has been removed from our issues or not. Okay. So once it is removed, then the process is correct. What we are doing is correct. We need to make sure after doing all 25-30, if I save, if I test, if I found some new issues, again it's difficult for us. So in between itself, we have to check it whether our way of approach is correct or not. Okay. So in SAP, there is no any document like you have to do this issue in this way. We are consultants. We know everything about the system. We have to design our own way and we have to resolve the issues. Okay. So, okay, fine. Now I'll go back till B we have completed, right? Let me check once again. This T code is not only for our company code, for all the system errors, it will be identified. Ledger related issues, we can get it with that T code. Check ledger customizing settings. Now let me take this, we are good. So it was removed. So now let us do remaining everything. We have two solutions for this. One, you can go to that extension ledger and you can remove your company code. Second solution, just maintain the leading ledger to your extension ledger. But what happens in all these extension ledger, your company code will be updated. Okay, so in real time you will not get this issue, because in practice many people they are doing extension ledger, so you are getting these issues. But in real time you will not face these type of issues. But I think now we are good with ledger. Let me go and post F-90. Purchase of asset, purchase of asset, vendor, 20 lakhs is the amount, purchase of asset, 70 is the posting key, asset number, transaction type, now amount, star or quantity, one quantity, text, I'm copying the text, overview, I'll try to post. Okay, so one thing here you need to understand, whenever you are purchasing an asset, normal accounting entry will be asset debit, vendor credit. But in S4HANA, technical clearing account will be debit, vendor will be credit, and one more accounting entry will be generated here. If you see this button, one more accounting entry will be generated. So there are two accounting entries that is generated in S4HANA. One is for vendor document, one is for asset document. In ECC, you will get only one document, but in S4HANA, you will get two documents. In between two documents, this technical clearing account will play a major role. Okay, now go back. I'll show you after posting. Post. Document has been posted. Now go to document display. So go to asset accounting. There are two documents which was posted in the system. There are two documents. First document belongs to vendor. Second document belongs to asset. Okay, so let me